Okay, so our first co-working session was pretty cool. A few people show up and was fun to have everybody here working together. Actually, we were like a more chatting than working, but was pretty cool to meet everybody. And I think we are gonna do this next time, maybe here at Stereo or any other like a coffee shop. If you have suggestions, please feel free to share. And yeah, let's do that more often. Will be great. I will try to bring a little bit other activities as well, so we can just work together in some funny stuff on Figma. So if you have any suggestions as well, please share with me. I'll be happy to bring on the next event. Okay? Take care and see you next time.